Who do you need on your real estate investing team? What a great question. Stick around and I'll help you answer it. Investing in real estate is hard enough, and going it lone wolf is even harder. You need to rely on a few essential people to help rocket your trajectory towards success. Here are a few team members that I rely on. Brokers are number one. They are the gatekeepers to bringing you deals. They will help keep you in the deal flow. They will help you see opportunities that you may not have availability with. You need to respect their time though, but it is a game of networking. You have to develop the relationships and you have to give them relevant and quick feedback when they bring you something. Clearly define your criteria, what you're looking for, and communicate that with them. And I promise you, they will bring you something that fits that criteria. Lenders are another crucial part to your team. They can help you underwrite deals. They can help you stand apart in a competitive offer situation. So I would suggest that you network with a few and make sure that they can lend on the type of property you're pursuing. A mentor as you get started is somebody that is definitely needed for you to help bounce questions off of, to help you just glean from their experience. They can also act as an equity partner if you need help raising money, or for a lending sponsor, so to help you qualify for a deal. They can help you avoid the big mistakes and can give you experienced eyes whenever you're looking at multiple situations and opportunities. Mentors come in all shapes and sizes, and what I mean by that is they may have different motives. So for instance, one may be extremely benevolent and just want to help you achieve success. Maybe they're further along in their career and they're at the point where they can share their knowledge and their time. Others may charge you for their time and their experience. Whatever the situation is, make sure that you interview a few. You trust who you are choosing as your mentor because you really want them on your side. An accountant or bookkeeper is somebody you absolutely need to have on your team. A lot of times a property manager may do the accounting for you. However, it's really crucial that you have somebody on your team who is able to do it. Unless you are experienced with QuickBooks or that's your profession, then I would highly suggest you outsource that. It's imperative that you keep good records of the expenses and incomes that are coming into your properties. This is even more important if you bring outside investors, so you can make sure that the taxes and books are prepared in a timely manner. Finally, a property manager is one of the most important members of your team. You need to bring somebody in who's experienced and skilled and that you can trust. A property manager can help you find qualified tenants. They can help you improve your net operating income. They can help you lower your expenses. They can help you with your unit turns. They are your eyes and ears at that property when you can't be available. Your job is to help manage that property manager though and oversee that asset as a whole. Make sure they come recommended and have the experience for the type of property that you're looking to hire them for. As I mentioned, this is a team sport. There are a lot of people you need to have on your team to help propel you to success. It's imperative that you start building these relationships before you even get involved. You really want to have these relationships secured, so start the networking now. With the help of your team, you can hopefully have a very long and prosperous career in real estate investing. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, share it. We appreciate your support. Thank you.